It is more humid. That moisture is increasing. As we look at the wind gust forecast, as we go through the day today, we're going to be up over 30, maybe 35 miles per hour with some of those winds. Now, we do have the cloudy skies out there. No rain yet, but we'll start to see maybe a few showers, a little drizzle developing a little later this morning, heading on into the afternoon hours. And those temperatures still going to be warm for one more day as well, as we'll be in the low mid 70s, even some upper 70s, I think, maybe in our western counties. But those thunderstorms get going a little bit later on. So here's what it looks like with our timecast. Only some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two as we get into the evening hours, mainly north and east of Dallas and Fort Worth. This is through 7 p.m. So not a whole lot in the way of rain until later on tonight. We'll see that line of thunderstorms get cranked up out to our west, and it will begin to move in after midnight, moving into the western parts of North Texas and getting into the Metroplex, maybe sometime after 3 o'clock up toward Bowie and Gainesville. Some stronger, potentially severe thunderstorms there, and that line marches steadily right on through the area. By 6 a.m., that's probably going to be somewhere around east of Dallas, somewhere around Terrell, Greenville, east of there, out towards Sulphur Springs. And after 7 a.m., I think all of that moves on out pretty quickly, and those temperatures will fall. Now, as that line moves through, we will have that potential for some severe storms. Damaging winds appear to be the main concern. Some hail, some isolated areas of hail as well, and that brief spin-up tornado can't be ruled out embedded in that line of thunderstorms. That's kind of typical when we see those that line of storms moving through the area. So please do anticipate that as well after midnight into the early morning hours tomorrow. So make sure you have a way to get those warnings that we will likely see during the overnight hours. Temperatures, they will be falling through the day. Tomorrow will be down in the upper 30s and low 40s by tomorrow afternoon. So here's that 10-day forecast for you. Temperatures will bounce back pretty quickly after a cold morning on Friday. We'll be back into the mid 50s. And then mid and upper 60s, close to 70 degrees on Sunday. And then we'll have some rain chances going into next week as well. All right, Tashara, back out to you. Checking on traffic.